With monkeypox making headlines around the world, you might be wondering, what can you do to protect yourself? Is there a cure? And how can you prevent it? Today, we're diving into everything you need to know about treating and preventing monkeypox. Stick around because this information could be crucial for you and your loved ones. Welcome back to Health On. In this video, we're focusing on one of the most important aspects of monkeypox: how to treat it, and more importantly, how to prevent it. If you're concerned about monkeypox and want to know what steps you can take to stay safe, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our health updates. Let's get started. Before we dive into treatments and prevention, let's quickly recap what monkeypox is and why it's important to take it seriously. Monkeypox is a viral disease caused by the monkeypox virus, a relative of the smallpox virus. Although it's much less severe than smallpox, monkeypox can still cause significant health problems. The virus primarily spreads through close contact with an infected person or animal, and it can lead to symptoms like fever, muscle aches, and a characteristic rash that can be quite uncomfortable. Now that we've got a quick refresher, let's move on to what you really need to know: how to treat monkeypox if you or someone you know contracts it. If you catch monkeypox, what can you do? Is there a cure? While there's no specific cure for monkeypox, there are several treatments available that can help manage the symptoms and prevent complications. Here's what you need to know. 1. Supportive care. The most common approach to treating monkeypox is supportive care. This means treating the symptoms to keep the patient comfortable while their body fights off the virus. This can include pain relief. Medications like ibuprofen or acetaminophen can help reduce fever and relieve pain. Hydration. It's essential to stay hydrated, especially if you're experiencing fever or vomiting. Drinking plenty of fluids or using oral rehydration solutions can help. Skin care. To manage the rash and prevent infections, it's important to keep the skin clean and dry. Topical treatments might be recommended by a healthcare provider to soothe the rash. 2. Antiviral medications. In some cases, antiviral drugs may be prescribed. The most commonly used antiviral for monkeypox is tecovirimat, also known as TPOXX. Tecovirimat was originally developed to treat smallpox, but it's been shown to be effective against monkeypox as well. It works by preventing the virus from spreading within the body, which can help reduce the severity and duration of symptoms. 3. Vaccination. If you've been exposed to monkeypox, getting vaccinated can help reduce the risk of developing severe symptoms. The smallpox vaccine has been shown to be about 85% effective in preventing monkeypox, and it can be used in both pre-exposure and post-exposure situations. Newer vaccines, like Jynneos, also known as Imvamune or Imvanex, are being developed and distributed in some areas to specifically target monkeypox. 4. Isolation and monitoring. If you or someone you know has monkeypox, it's crucial to isolate from others to prevent the virus from spreading. Regular monitoring of symptoms by a healthcare provider is also important, especially if the person has a weakened immune system or is at risk for severe illness. So, while there isn't a cure that can instantly get rid of monkeypox, these treatments can make a significant difference in managing the disease. But what's even more important is knowing how to prevent it in the first place. Let's talk about that next. Prevention is always better than cure, right? So how can you protect yourself and others from monkeypox? Preventing monkeypox is all about reducing your risk of exposure to the virus. Here are the most effective ways to do that. 1. Avoid close contact. Since monkeypox spreads through close contact, avoiding physical contact with people who are infected is the best way to prevent it. This includes avoiding contact with the rash, body fluids, or any materials that might be contaminated, like bedding or clothing. 2. Practice good hygiene. Washing your hands regularly with soap and water or using an alcohol-based hand sanitizer can reduce your risk of picking up the virus from surfaces or objects. It's also a good idea to avoid touching your face, especially your eyes, nose, and mouth, if you haven't washed your hands. 3. Use personal protective equipment. If you're caring for someone with monkeypox or are in a situation where you might be exposed, wearing protective clothing like gloves and masks can help reduce your risk. Healthcare workers in particular should follow strict infection control protocols to protect themselves and others. 4. Vaccination. As mentioned earlier, getting vaccinated with the smallpox or Jinneo's vaccine can be an effective way to prevent monkeypox, especially if you're in a high-risk area or have been exposed to the virus. If a vaccine is available to you, it's worth considering, particularly if you're in a job or situation where you might be at higher risk. 5. Avoid contact with wild animals. Since monkeypox can spread from animals to humans, it's important to avoid contact with wild animals, especially in areas where monkeypox is known to occur. This includes not handling sick or dead animals and avoiding the consumption of bushmeat. 6. Stay informed. Finally, staying informed about outbreaks in your area and following public health guidance can help you avoid exposure. Pay attention to travel advisories and other updates from health authorities, and take precautions if monkeypox is reported in your community. These steps might seem simple, but they can make a huge difference in preventing the spread of monkeypox. And that's your complete guide to the treatment and prevention of monkeypox. While the virus can be serious, knowing how to treat it, and more importantly, how to prevent it, can help keep you and your loved ones safe. If you learned something new today, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Do you have any more questions about monkeypox or other health topics you'd like us to cover? Drop them in the comments below and we'll do our best to get you the answers. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos that keep you informed and healthy. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and stay healthy.